I'm actually live. I'm live on Facebook right now. I don't know where, but it's good job it's a test. I'm in my dungarees as well, so I was doing some outside jobs as well.
Oh, mate, have you been doing sea jobs?
Yeah. Brilliant. Right, no one's viewed it yet, so I don't know where. Oh, 2 people have viewed it already. Right, I best do.
I better have a look.
I know, I best do some property stuff, haven't I? So I'm going to continue my live on Facebook, and I don't know if it's on my business page or my homepage. I'm not sure.
Do your thing, and this is what we do. This time of year, we're just coming up to leaves in the gutters and in the drains, and it's a little job, but it can save you thousands.
Absolutely, yeah. Hey, it's brilliant. Oh, it's superb. And it's got Mark Heinzen property on the screen. I'm trying to see where it is.
I don't know.
I have no idea.
I'll let you crack on with it. I'm back home now, so I'm going to do a few more calls.
Brilliant.
So I've been in Coventry this morning at a little meeting. But it's a bit funny, Coventry. Usually it's heaving, and it was just dead.
Oh, really?
Do you know the Belgrade Plaza?
I must admit, I don't actually. That doesn't ring a
So
bell.
in the town centre where all the bars are and all the restaurants, a bit like the High Cross in Leicester.
Yeah.
Yeah? Fucking no one.
Oh, really?
Oh, there you are. I can see you on Facebook Live.
Wow. Is it doing captions as well? I best do some property stuff, aren't I? Facebook Live.
Is it doing captions? Is it me talking?
I think it might be you talking, yeah.
It is. I'll leave you to it. Have a lovely day, Mr. Dungarees.
It's brilliant. It's brilliant. All right, see you later, mate. Take care. So we're just testing out Facebook Live, see if it works. My name's Mark Heinzen, and this Facebook Live is just to test the gear. So we're just seeing, I'm going to start doing some property stuff, and you'll see me, I think I'll probably start doing it every few days or something. This is pretty good. I'm liking this. So if you're viewing, make a comment, say hello. And if you'd like some property topics, if you've got a property question, or you've got something that's bugging you in property and you can't quite get past that hurdle, then by all means give us a tinkle, drop me a message, a PM or something. And I've been doing outside jobs today, hence the overalls. I've been fixing electrical cables and outside sockets for the winter to power the lights and stuff to make the house look Christmassy, because we haven't got long till Christmas now, so I've been doing that. But this is a test to test all the gear. So what I've been doing, I've been building this rig, which is a couple of lights and some lights around here and up here, and testing the camera. I've followed a guy, I can't remember his first name now. Hughes is his second name, and he's a king of videos. He's been following him and getting some learning off my YouTube 10-year-olds that have been teaching me this stuff. So I'm using a Canon camera, and it is a 700D, so it's a DSLR, and we're broadcasting from North Warwickshire. And I coach people in property, and I thought I'd do one of these live broadcasts. I'm thinking every few days, I think, on Facebook, on my page on Facebook. So if you've got a property problem, by all means get in touch. Drop me a PM. If you've got a video problem, I now know how to use video and stream on Facebook, which is pretty good. And I use it's an Ecamm Live I'm actually using, and it's just fab. It's taken me a while to put this rig together, and from the back of it, I'll put a photo on my page somewhere, but it looks like an Iron Man workshop, I think, Iron Man's workshop. So it's property problems, it's property stuff, it's doing deals, it's because I haven't got a crystal ball, but we might be going into a recession, and some businesses have gone into a recession. So at this point in time, there'll be people that need help with their property businesses, that need help. There'll be landlords that need help getting out of properties that they've got stuck in. And it's the time to do it. Quarter one, quarter two next year will be our kind of. We'll be in a. I think there'll be lots of deals around. So if there's lots of deals around, do them ethically so you can sleep at night. We don't have to scam anybody or anything. Is do ethical deals. Do it properly, do it right, and help people out of property that they've got stuck in. And likewise, if you've got a problem property and you want to, you've got a creative mind and you want some help with that problem property, then drop me a PM or drop me a phone call. My number's here. It's my phone. It's only me that answers. The number's 01827 706 558. I'll put it on the comment list below. It's 01827 706 558. And it's all about coming together, helping my property people out, helping them do deals, helping them get deals, helping them build their portfolios, helping them make money out of property, helping to supply houses to people that need them, and it's all of us in together. And I run a WhatsApp group, one-to-one clients, coaching clients, and I help them build their businesses to what they want. And they don't all trade property; they're not all deal sources or all packages or whatever they like to call themselves. Some just are building a portfolio. Some are doing deals in service accommodation. Some are running service accommodation businesses. Some are doing rent to rent. Some do creative deals such as lease options. Some just buy property. I've got a couple of people that just buy property. Some do bigger stuff, not houses. They do, bigger buildings and stuff. Some, I've got a surveyor in the property family. We've got a few lawyers in the property family. We've got, who else? We've got a mortgage broker, Kit. He's our property family mortgage broker. And what he does is he helps all of the clients in there. He gives advice away pretty freely, to be fair, but he's there to help with your mortgage inquiries and assistance and get you finance for your deals. We've got someone that's raised over £2.5 million worth of JV finance in their business, and he will show you how to do that if you're short of finance. So there's three things that most people need. One of them is time, one of them is money, and one of them is skill. So if you've got money, that's what you bring to the table. You might be looking for time or skill. If you've got skill, you might be looking for time or someone with money. If you've got money, you might be looking for someone with skill or time, So if you bring one thing to the table and then join forces with two others, you've got the start of a business, You've got the start of something that could be big. So my name's Mark Ironson. I'm going to be doing this every few days, a Facebook Live, because I've just learned how to do it, and it actually all works. I can't believe it. It all seems to be working. The lights seem to work, and the sound seems to work all right, and the vision seems to work all right. The camera's working. So I'll do one of these lives every few days as we get rolling, get practicing, and get started. And if you've got any questions, as I say, put them below. I'll try and answer them and say hi to people if they're on. So so my name's Mark Ironson. This was a test of our kit, and to say we're now live on Facebook, and it's pretty good. It's pretty brilliant. So have a great day. I'm going to carry on my outside jobs because I didn't realise I was going to actually go live. I didn't think it would work, but it has. So if, as I said, you've got a property problem or a property issue or a question, by all means ping it over by PM and I'll try and answer it. I think I've got one in just today, in fact. So let's go with this one. Let's go with this question. Oh, it won't go to my messages, and it's even doing subtitles as well. I can't believe it's doing subtitles. I didn't do this at all. That's done by the system, so I'm quite impressed by it. This is Ecamm Live, and it's not incredibly expensive or anything. It's just a program, a subscription program, but it's pretty good. So, as I say, my name's Mark Ironson. If you've got any property problems or property issues or stuff you need help with in property, then drop us a PM, and I'll try and help. So, if you're a buyer, I'll try and help you get deals. If you're a seller, I'll try and get you out of a property that might be a problem. And if you want help with building your portfolio, I'll try and help with that. And so drop me a PM and we'll have a chat about it. And if we can help, then I will. So I'll do one of these lives every few days. And as I say, if you've got any questions, drop them below and we'll have a chat about it. So my business looks after people that do deals. It looks after people that buy. It looks after people that sell. So I do buy property from time to time, and I get landlords out of property that they don't want or it's causing them a problem, because some properties, we haven't all bought the best in the world, so I'll help you get out of a property if you're a creative thinker, because we don't always buy, we don't buy everything obviously, but I've got a big list of people that do buy, and we can punt it out. As long as it's presented properly, we can punt it out to them and see if we can get rid of it for you. So if you've got a problem property, give us a shout, and I'm going to crack on with my outside jobs. This was a test of the gear. It seems to work. So I'll be live on Facebook more often, and we'll see if we can keep in touch and do some business. So my name's Mark Ironson. Speak to you soon. Now I don't know how to stop it. Finish. There we go. Finish.